Queen Mother, it is done.
Solo Billy.
I love you too. I love you too.
I go love you. Romeo not the pass like this, so. Obafa, well, you bring one succulent package now. Or you run collabo now. Based on 1 or 2. Look at that.
No, bro. You know I don't do this kind of things. I can't.
But look, see, I'm everything day. Bonnet day, boot day. Now fresh one today.
Bro, you know I'm not used to this at all.
We are relationship people. No wahala now. You run based on 1 or 2. I won't tell you so now. You know, say I come this morning. I bring one, say more share. Say, you know, like I call this like say you don't like to share. Now you bring this one now. You do one. I do my normal one. If I talk, you understand me now?
Kebenki, you know I'm not used to this kind of lifestyle. Please, I'm in a serious relationship, so I can't do it.
No, wahala, you know I've done it before. Let me go and do it again.
Kebenki, womanizing is very expensive. So how do you make this your money?
But you never hear of 1xBet. 1xBet now the best and most reliable betting platform.
Are they not the official global partner of Barcelona Football Club and La Liga?
Exactly now.
They are also the official sponsor of African Cup of Nations.
Bam! Registration is absolutely free. All you need to do is just download their app from Google Play Store or your Apple Store. That's all. Once you register, your first deposit, they give you 200% bonus. Once you use the promo code PILLSBET. And that 200% bonus, I be say, if for example now if you deposit 50,000, they will give you 100,000. That's the bonus. So plus that your 50,000, so you go get 150,000.
All in my account.
All in your account, my brother. 1xBet, so they offer series of bonuses. For example now, on your birthday, 1xBet will give you birthday bonus. Players get 100% betting insurance. They also offer bonuses for series of losing bets.
Okay, so let me just go and play now. So let me play.
I go play. How much you play? Let me go and play inside. Oh, I go be now.
My girlfriend has been away for a while now, and I've never cheated on her. I don't know, it seems cheating is sweet, but I've never done this before as well. Let me give it a try. After all, I've made my money.
Babe, I need to clean up.
Alright, no problem.
Queen Mother, it is done.
You think say you dey wise? You are a mumu man.